Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. What's really happening on the market? Yeah, it's Wednesday, guys. I hope everyone is doing great. Please don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. What's really happening on the economic calendar? It seems like we don't really have much. I see that what we have is just new home sales, not that aggressively important or not aggressively have any effect on the market, but yeah, somewhere somehow the market might be a move here and there. Or for me, just to explain this, we have high impact news. I think we already understand that high impact news, it doesn't always mean that it will directly have an impact on that currency. Yes, it might be very important, but not directly the currency. So sometimes we can have some surveys. Sometimes there's other governors talking. Those are still high impact news, but they don't really have impact on the currency, but they are still very important. I hope that makes sense. So it's similar to say we have breaking news, 1, 2, 3, the weather, 1, 2, 3. It doesn't really mean that the market will be going crazy, but yes, they still show them here. So yeah, that's what we saw. But yesterday we were also watching, I think we did, not watching, but we saw Canada going aggressive with the CPI. Their CPI, it was quite positive, and we saw it going aggressive, but later on it reversed. But today we don't really have much here. It means we will be waiting for something which is going to happen. Tomorrow we have GDP, unemployment claims, pending home sales, and the one that I am actually waiting for is core PCE or PCE. So today we're just hoping that the market will be moving quite slower. And we have some very good news. I have some very good news for everyone, guys. So we have a crazy special. Every year we have this, but it comes and goes. So it doesn't really stay here for longer. So for those who wanted to be part of the team, you can scan that QR code. But you can see lifetime signals for only $60, 12 months for only $48. This is limited, so which means there is a number that I want, then I will just say, you know what, everyone joined, it's fine. But as long as we do the special, some people, they can easily join our team. Remember, guys, we come in from South Africa, so we don't really have those higher budget and stuff like that. We have high inflation, things are expensive, but everyone wants to eat. Everyone wants to be in this groups that we have here, and they also help because that $60 you can make it within 2 days, and you're gonna still be here in the group for more than 12 months, you see. So you can take advantage of that and just enjoy what we have. And we did smash the market, by the way, so but we will see what's really happening now. So for those who just want a recommendation on the broker, I prefer EXNESS. Check my description. It's spelled like this: EXNESS broker. EXNESS. So this is my preferred or my recommended broker. I don't really work with them, but there's a link in the description if you want to join them, so that your boy can get something from that. But it's not like maybe I gain way much from that, right? So there's other ones that I also recommend, but yeah, you can just go that, go like IC market, like XM, like FBS. I also recommend that. So on DXY, on the daily time frame, we can easily see that no, man, this thing is still very bullish. We can see that the market is still showing us that we are still going to go higher. I'm expecting it to reach this level before maybe we see that sell. That's don't you see that? Because we can see that the market is going up. I think this level that we're waiting for, this area here, is quite similar to this area. I think the market will reach this area, then we will see a sell. Around this area, we might see a sell. There is a possibility that the market can still break that level, but it shows us that the dollar is quite strong. Dollar is still on this nice uptrend structure, and I like the fact that the market did reverse here and there. But here it still shows us that dollar is still quite stronger. So when we buy or when we sell, we should be extra careful. We don't really have to go aggressively against the dollar, as it shows us that it's still continuing. And I think the way it continues like that, I don't think they're going to cut the rates anytime soon. So that is going to be something else. But we will see. This week or next week, I think is going to be the end of the month. We will see what other events are going to tell us, like CPIs, retail sales, stuff like that, right? So later on, we are going to go on our live session as we always do. So I'm not going to just do the whole analysis because we still have enough time later on to go on our live sessions. So now we are on Gbpusd. What's really happening? You can easily see that, yeah, we are coming from this nice downtrend structure. From there, we had a downtrend. Sorry, we had a breakout, which means we were expecting to see what? We expect to see the market go, or we expect a nice bullish move. We expect something like this. Actually, we expect the market to continue like that. And we did have a nice buy there and we smashed that. But unfortunately, the market did not really reach our TP. Yeah, but I told my people to secure their profits because we can see that we don't really have a perfect structure or a nice structure that we can use to say, you know what, we can hold those trades. And at the end of the day, I did also explain that this structure, I can say it is still actually maturing. We don't really have clean structure. I think at the end of the day, maybe the market will create something like this. Do you see that? So that's why we said, let's wait for the market to mature before we just go aggressive. But yes, we did take something there, not really much, but we saw when the market was starting to struggle going higher, but at least it was halfway towards our TP. But at the moment, I think we just have to sit back and see. Maybe the market will be coming back around this support. We will see what will happen. Maybe the market wants to continue with this downtrend because we are coming from a very nice uptrend structure. And what we connect, we tried to connect. It's not like we don't really see that. We see that, but it seems like now, it seems like the market wants to go down. But I will confirm a nice down after maybe we see the market breaking out of this structure. Breaking out here, we can say this is the lowest area that we can use as our last hope. Then if maybe the market breaks that, actually you saw that we bought. If the market breaks out of that, it means we will be now going on that nice sell or downtrend. But at the moment, if the market respect this area, obviously the market might still go higher. But the structures are not really nice, guys. We see this is a mixed. It's some stuff that we don't really have to play around because the market goes up 2 minutes, goes back, then it's easier for us to lose when the market is moving like that. So now we are on USD, JPY. What's really happening? Nothing much. We still continuing with that bullish move. We are coming from a very nice uptrend structure and it's still continuing very nice. As we said, the dollar is quite stronger. So we still expect to see a continuation. You can see on the bottom side, we had a very nice support area. The market never disappointed us on that. The market did actually a good job by respecting our support. So we'll actually continue with that. We had a very nice buy. The market did actually give us some very nice trades. It seems like around this area, it's where the market is actually struggling. We will see if maybe it's going to struggle and go down. But what we did here, it was very nice. We never had any aggressive rejection. And yeah, we still eating. So I don't think we have much here because you can see the market just broke out of this resistance. So we were already expecting a very nice buy as we still on that nice uptrend structure. So now we're just waiting for a nice reversal. And then we will see what will happen. Maybe we're going to have a resistance there. Maybe the market will do something like that. Or maybe we're going to have a breakout. But we're still going to continue buying because it shows us that the dollar is quite strong. And we saw that from a dollar index, right? So, yeah, I think maybe that makes our job easier. Now, you can see when we see the dollar is quite stronger. You see that even here, gold is struggling to keep up. We had a nice buy pending order, but the market has been struggling to go higher. You can see that. So we had this nice uptrend structure there. So the market did respect that several times. It went there, it pushed up very nice. Guess what? Until the market breaks out of that. So which means now we're no longer going to think about this type of a structure as a bullish move, as we can see that the market is just broke. The market just broke out. So it means maybe the market wants to continue going lower. But what I like here is you can see we don't really have proper nice candlesticks. Market goes, we have a breakout, but we have this rejections left and right. If I go on a daily, so on a 1 hour, maybe you will see that. You can see that the market already seems to be consolidating, but it's nice, it's fine. We can draw our support area here. Since we have a breakout, it means maybe the market will be continuing with that sell or downtrend, but we can just continue with that. We don't really have to fight the structure. If maybe it's a sell, we will wait for a breakout there, then we will be continuing with that sell. Simple as that. Do you see that? Unless if maybe the market decides to go even higher. But at the moment, we just have to relax. Maybe we will see a continuation of that sell. As we said, the dollar is quite stronger, and we know very well that cutting the rates now, it's like, yeah, we just dreaming. It's like we're dreaming. So, yeah, we have to think outside the box. But slowly we will see. Slowly we will see. So now we are on US30. US30, what's really happening on US30? We have a very nice structure here. The market went back towards that resistant area. Now we're going to call that a support. You can see that we've been talking about this. The market went up. We had a breakout. Now, obviously, we're going to talk about this structure where the market was just consolidating. Now we expect the market to do what? To go higher from that. You see that the market just retested that. We did smash the first one. It seems like the market wants to give us the another one. If you still remember, yesterday we did talk about maybe the market will be reversing. I think it was selling later on. I think we were on a live session. So now we might have a structure like this, where the market will end up just moving like that until we see a very nice push. Remember, I still believe that maybe US30 will try to catch up with Nasdaq, US Tech, because already Nasdaq, US Tech, it's already higher. So mostly they are going together. So there is a possibility that we might see it trying to do that. But I know the market might just play games, but jiggy maybe in 2 weeks or whatever, maybe next week, the market will be here. It's possible. But even if maybe the market will be here, I know very well that it won't just go straight up. There are some stuff that the market will be doing, maybe rejecting, going up, rejecting. At the end of the day, the market will be going up. That's what I'm expecting. So this is another buy pending order or buy stop that it's actually in our group. So we're expecting to see the market going up. Remember, later on, we're still going to go on our live session. I think today we will be going on Trader Nick channel also. Or A1 trading, we will be going there, but later after that we will be also going on our channel. So I'm expecting a very nice bullish move here, unless if maybe the market disappoint us, but I'm expecting a very nice push to the upside on US30. So let's push to the next one, which is Nasdaq. This one we also smashed it. I think we were on our live session. You can see, check our live session that we did yesterday. So if you don't really want to miss that, guys, we have a crazy special lifetime for $60, 12 months for only $48. VIP signals, and you just pay once. So for those who wants to be part of the team, you can pause this video, scan that QR code, and then you can start to eat with us. So let me know, don't miss that. It's actually limited. So what happened on Nasdaq? Nasdaq gave us some very nice structure. We know we've been talking about this nice bullish move. The market has been going up, very nice. So what happened here is, yes, the market did reverse very nice. The market did give us that reversal, and from that reversal, the market also respected a previous area which we can call a smaller support there, and the market did a perfect job there. I think yesterday the market was here, that now we see that the market is trying to go even higher. So this was something that we used yesterday on our live session to say you can take a buy around this area. Obviously, I hope everyone is smiling after that. and that is good. That's why we trade. But when we smile, when we all make some profits, just know that there are some days where things are not going to be in our favor, and there is nothing wrong with that. So that's part of that. That's how the market is going to operate. We can't win every day. I think that is obvious. If you are a trader, then it's obvious. But if you are dreaming, you will think that you will win almost every day because you don't want to accept how things are going. You can't win every day. Wake up. Just wake up and you will see that, oh, I have to accept that there are some losses. Then from there, let me plan for my losses and let me have a proper risk management. And from there, you will see. When you lose, you're not going to go crazy. You're not going to fight the market because you know that, yeah, it's that you can win every day, you see. Even if you have a much better strategy. But the best thing is to let's win most of the time. Let's win like mostly 60, 70, 80% of the time than we lose. You see, that is much better. We can run away from losses, but we can face them and make sure that we have a proper solid structure to approach our losses. I hope that makes sense. So yes, here I think it was quite straightforward. We have a nice support and we expect the market to reach this level. Maybe the market will respect that level also. Remember on Friday we have PCE. That might change things. Maybe things will be going up, or maybe the market will end up just consolidating around this level. It's up to the market and up to that PCE. We can't just guess, but the overall structure here, it's a very nice bullish move. You see that? So I think maybe that's enough for now. I think we can just go check oil. S&P 500 quite similar to Nasdaq. I think you can see that. Let's see US. Okay, this is German photo. I wanted to go on US oil, but I don't get that. I will just go on German 40. German 40, we can see that, yeah, the market is still on that downtrend structure, but I think this was our previous support and now our current resistance. So I think the market will be respecting this area. I think this can be a very nice signal. I think it can work in our favor as we expect the market to continue going down. Something like that can work very nice. But yeah, I think something like this can work very nice, unless if maybe the market is willing to reach this level of a resistance before going down. That is also possible. That is possible. Please, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So now we are on US oil. What's really happening on US oil? You can easily see that the market is actually on an uptrend, coming from a downtrend, now going up. But we have this smaller consolidation structure, so that the market is actually thinking, let's not interrupt the market here. Let's just stay out of the market. If the market breaks out of that resistance, it's where we're going to jump in. Sometimes it might even just go back. And if it does go back, it means this was just an adjustment. The market was not willing to go to the upside. Simple as that. Don't complicate things. Already the market is difficult. So just make things simple for you. So yeah, for now, thank you very much. And yeah, I will just post this here. And then you can pause the video. You can scan that QR code, or you can just check my description. You will find my WhatsApp a link. Then you can talk to me if you want to be part of the team. This is actually limited, so it's not going to stay here forever. So thank you very much. I will see you later on our live session. Bye.